I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com. It's day 21 of the Let It Go Diet. Day 21. This is the last day following the recipe 21-day planner. Before we jump into it, I'm going to go over a few numbers, the most important number, well, the two most important numbers, and then we'll get on to the recipe for the protein beach smoothie, my personal favorite. Subscribe to the channel below and like the video. I appreciate you staying tuned with me for 21 days watching my body transformation. I have an idea. Check this out. I am now wearing the same exact clothes that I had on day one. I thought it would be neat to see myself on day one compared to day 21. I know what the scale says, 18 pounds. I know what my pain level is, 8 to a 2 out of 10. Woo, woo, hallelujah. Please subscribe to the channel by clicking subscribe below and hit the like button. Here's what goes into it. 1 banana. Remember, throughout the whole plan, keep your bananas frozen. They last longer and make a smoothie a lot colder. 1 banana, a half cup of frozen raspberries, a scoop of protein powder, tablespoon of tahini, which is sesame seeds ground up, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, and a cup of coconut water. Okay, I don't have coconut water, but I do have some coconut flakes, yum, nature's candy, and I have some water. I'll throw a half cup of water in there with some coconut flakes. It will all blend up just into coconut water. So, today's power-packed nutritional tidbit is chia seeds are packed full of nutrients including protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Look, it's a power pill, man. It's a power seed right from the ground, from nature. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains approximately 5 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein. They make a great addition to smoothies and salad dressings. Look, the Let It Go Diet shows you little tidbits. We don't overwhelm you. We give you the grocery plan. We give you the grocery list. You go out and get it. We give you the full recipe for 21 days. You never have to think about what you're eating. I was listening to the radio yesterday and the guy was saying, look, I rack my brain every day talking to the other co-hosts on what to eat. What am I going to eat today? Guess what? For 21 days to get rid of that stress, what am I eating? Just follow the recipe. Follow the recipe. 21 days later, 18 pounds lighter. Yep. Pain reduced. Yep. Blood pressure down. Yep. Pulse down. Yep. Mood better. Psh. All right, we'll move right down the list. 1 frozen banana. Done. Half a cup of frozen raspberries. I don't have just raspberries, but I have a berry blend. Half a cup. Looks like I got mainly blueberries. Hey, blueberries are packed with nutrients. 1 scoop of protein powder. Scoop and a half. I can use some more protein. Tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds, man, black magic right there. And a cup of almond milk. Perfect, because I have just about what appears to be a cup left. Tablespoon of tahini paste, which is sesame seeds ground up, and it's a very kind of runny paste, oily for that matter. Remember, the whole Let It Go diet, there's not many times you're consuming a lot of oil, because oil typically is 120 calories per tablespoon. Now it may look like I'm doing 2 tablespoons, but I'm not. I just know half of it is sticking inside there, so I'll give it a little bit more, and overall we should have a tablespoon. Very, very oily mess. Okay, coconut water. I don't have coconut water, so I'm going to add a pinch, maybe about a tablespoon of coconut flakes. And you know what? It looks like, yeah, I could use a little water. Let's give it a blend and we'll give it a live taste. Alright, while that's settling, I do want to share a moment on the blender. You can use a regular household blender. Small ones probably really don't work well for smoothies if you throw ice cubes in them. I frequently do. I didn't this time. This is a blender slash emulsifier, not a juicer, a blender with a lot of horsepower. Have the ability to get one, get one. If you don't, just use a regular household blender. Use what you have. The most important thing is find a way to eat clean. It will change your life. Protein beach smoothie. And we'll give it a taste. With that beautiful purple, smooth, creamy. Check it out. Check it out. Nature's best, packed with nutrients. Love that tahini. Great addition. Even a little bit of the coconut flakes. This is Let It Go Diet. We have one more meal to go. That's today for lunch and dinner. We'll eat the leftovers from dinner. It's spaghetti squash. That's right, no spaghetti. Spaghetti from squash. All right? You so